Yeah guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to complete identity verification on Luno Exchange. Let's get started. Now what you need to do is, if you go to Luno Exchange, click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you can see we have to do identify. So click on continue here. Once you click on continue, we're going to do all the identification. The first thing you need to do is put your number here. Put the active number, and after that click on next. Now they've sent a message to your number, so let's wait for it. I'm going to check now. Okay, so I'm going to check for the code. So make sure you use okay, and then the code is being dropped. So I'm good now. Just click on the code 976057 976057. So I'm going to go back 976057 97. Okay, click on next. Now click on let's go. You have to do all this: add the personal details, add your address, take a picture of your ID, snap a quick selfie. These are all the processes you need to do to be able to verify your details. You can see, just click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, set up all this. You can see, click on next when you're done. When you're done, I'm going to quickly set it up. I'm going to quickly set it up. Just put on something and just put on something. Okay, this is here. Click on yes. Click on next. So you have to put this one up. Put your NIN here. Once you put your NIN, you put on everything. Click on next. Do the following next process. Click on next. Do the other process. Click on next, and you're going to automatically verify your Luno Exchange successfully. So guys, if you have any information or you did not get any parts, drop a comment there. Okay. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.